Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So today is 29th January 2021. Today is Friday and right now here I am at my kitchen. My mom is cooking basmati rice, fried rice. So here's the basmati rice and here's in this wok or kadhai, water is boiling. Before boiling the water, my mom has sorted some spices, whole spices like black pepper, cinnamon, tej patta or bay leaf,
Cardamom,
clove. And after some time we will add the rice in the hot boiling water and we will let it cook. And it will turn out to be really tasty. थोड़ा देर खोल जाने. So guys, we have increased the flame so that the water will boil quickly and then we will add the rice. क्या बना रही है मम्मी आज?
Good morning.
हाँ? क्या बना रही है? बासमती राइस का फ्राइड राइस पुलाव.
बासमती पुलाव.
तो क्या अभी डालना है पानी, गरम पानी में राइस,
soaked rice.
और कितना देरी में ये बन जाएगा?
ये 20 मिनट में,
15-20 मिनट में बन जाएगा ना. तो कितना देरी के लिए चावल भिंगाया है?
5 मिनट.
चावल ज्यादा नहीं भिंगा
5 मिनट
ये वाला, क्योंकि हम लोग को थोड़ा राइस एक्स्ट्रा सॉगी अच्छा नहीं लगता.
Al dente.
So now it's time to add the fresh peas and carrots to our boiling rice, basmati rice. इधर देख. To make the rice more colorful. So now it's time to put the lid in our wok and let the rice cook for about 15 minutes or so. So guys, I'll show you how the rice will look after approx 5 minutes of cooking in hot boiling water. With the lid on. This is how the rice will look.
Halfway.
And you still have to cook it for about 10 more minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to show you what rice we have used for this fried rice recipe. We have used this basmati rice of KOHINOOR brand.
Royale,
it is one of the best
BIRYANI
basmati rice you can buy. KOHINOOR Royale is the name of this basmati rice.
KOHINOOR.
And the 1 kg pack cost is rupees 189 written on the packet. You can buy this rice for about 120 to 130 Indian rupee from Amazon India. So I'll post the link of the rice in the description of the video so that you can buy the rice in a quicker way. Guys, our fried rice has been cooked. Time to open the lid.
Steamy pulao. Wow. The aroma fills our kitchen.
Guys, you can see how the pulao or the veg fried rice or the fried rice or the basmati rice is looking over here after cooking.
turned out.
In just around 20 minutes, we have prepared this amazing, simple but yet very tasty
And nutritious.
rice. And yeah,
Very tasty.
Time for taste test. खा के बताऊं कैसे लग रहा है कोहिनूर बासमती राइस.
Very tasty.
We love home cooked rice.
I love Kohinoor basmati rice.
So guys, I've served my peas pulao or tasty veg fried rice in this amazing platter, navy blue color platter, and this is the rice I've used, the Kohinoor Royale basmati rice I've used for making this fried rice recipe. My mom cooked it, and these are the ingredients we use: the rice, the veggies, the carrot, peas, green peas, and the whole spices. You can see GOLKI or the black pepper, long, and bay leaf, and few other whole spices.
Aromatic
And result
spices.
is really wonderful. Let me taste it. It's really tasty. So thumbs up to Kohinoor Royale and thumbs up to my mom for cooking the rice. And guys, the weather is cloudy outside, and that is why we have prepared this tasty home cooked fried rice or the peas pulao.
Hot meal.
Cold weather, hot meal.
Late January winter rain.